Hey world, what's up? This is Albert coming back at you. I want to talk about this month or this week is talking about IT in the IT field and what can you do to advance your skills in the IT world and use that for the ability to maybe take that to your employer, or you can just use this for how should I say, your own personal advantage. So, anyways, let's get down to it. I'm going to give you guys three options, three websites where you can actually go ahead and have a course and learn some stuff. And for me, I like to take these courses on my downtime, and this has nothing to do with uh, a university or tuition or even at my job. Um, I'm an IT specialist for CBiz, but in my downtimes or when I have like right now, I'm getting ready to do a Skype interview in about an hour. Not an interview, but we have meetings and stuff like that. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So the first thing I like to talk about is I'm gonna give you guys three options and three websites that I think that are really beneficial for you and to get into the field of IT. That's a big range. So the first, as you can see here, the first website I have is basically Microsoft Virtual Academy, and this is a free Microsoft training uh, develop, delivered by experts. So it's Microsoft experts are doing these courses, and basically gives you free range and free training. I mean, you guys can't beat that. So even if you're not into IT, and let's just say you bought a computer or you have a cell phone, everybody has smartphones. Everybody, not everyone, but most people have tablets and they have computers. And you know, I would say 80 to 90% of people that have cell phones or tablets, even computers, are just very touching the surface of what these machines can do, these smart devices. So I would suggest you to get into a beginning course. Start your beginning course into Microsoft or even into Android. They will talk you about the basics. Get into your desktop 7 right here, Windows 7. Learn Windows 7 and learn all about that. If you want to step it up, I would say from beginners, and you want to step up to the next level, I would go into like a cloud development. Learn about cloud, even though you don't want to develop cloud, but if you just learn about it and learn the aspects of it, because some people just say, "Oh, it's in the cloud," like they don't get it. Some people, I'm not saying, you know, you're not smart enough to get it. It's just you haven't learned it. So I trust me, when I started in the IT world, I barely just knew how to print or even set up documents or set up spreadsheets. But now, like I said, you get advanced web developing, game developing, database developing. Learn Visual Studios. That's where you learn presentations. I have to use Visual Studios all the time, to do different presentations. App development. At the DeVry University, me and a couple of classmates, we developed a few apps, just for fun. We were just having fun. Uh, C sharp, uh, XM. This is a coding. This is more advanced, but you get to learn this. You have different categories here. You want to be an IT pro, uh, learn your Windows, learn your cloud here, Office 3600. I mean, 365, your Office 365. That's going to be from your Excel, Word, all your different stuff you get in there. Enterprise security. Enterprises love security, people. Virtualization. That's a big one, and that's going to be another one I'm going to talk to you about soon. PowerShell. That's where you can actually run your computer from different from the actual kernel. You know, that's a very good knowledge to know. Desktop and device management. How to make all your computers and all your machines, talk to each other. Windows Server, you know, everybody uses servers. I mean, the internet is basically a server. Uh, Data pros, you could be a database administrator. SharePoint is awesome. Right here, SQL Server, that's an advanced service, database development, you get the idea. And for your students, you have different skills here for the younger people starting off. And you might want to dab into here too if you're beginning and you kind of want to be a student and you just want to learn. So I say if you want to be develop your skills in the IT world, even if you're not into IT, um, and you just you're just not into it, but you just kind of want to know because we have IT all around us every day. I mean, hundreds of people, millions of people have these devices in their hands, and it's just you could take most of these, you go on your phone, and if you're on the bus or on a train or on a plane or just driving in a car, you could slap the audio version and just learn. um, Let me give you a demonstration. I'll pick one of these courses. So for example, like I said, it's all free here, and I don't want these videos to go too long, so I'll go ahead and pick for beginners and see what we got here. um, I'll kind of explain to you. The first thing you want to do is you want to create an account, and then you could add to your account your plan. So get started with template 7, Windows Develop 10, C plus. So this is all like the beginning courses. They give you about 13 courses that you can learn for beginners. And there you go. So that's all for your beginning courses. Let's go back to they got live events, they got books. If you have a tablet, you want to read books, go read books, live events, and your courses. And I would say definitely take advantage of these. I mean, these are pretty awesome. And well, we'll just go ahead and pick this one right here. Getting started with templates um, and what it does is it loads up. It's a typical course here, and there it is. You're not going to hear the audio because I don't have my sharing to do audio. But anyways, these guys will talk about the course, and if you look on the side here, to sorry about I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my neighbor's dogs are getting crazy. Um, so if you look here in the modules to your right, you'll see the different modules: Module 1, Module 2, all the way up to Module 9. And at the end of each module, you'll have a uh, right here, the slideshow presentation, and I believe it does come with each. It does come with a course, like a quiz, and then it has the community. You could talk to these guys. You could talk to different people in the course. Um, and after that, you will get a completion certification, which I think is pretty awesome. So that is Microsoft Virtual Reality Academy. Now, I would suggest everybody to kind of get in there. I have a few of these, and this video is going kind of long. I don't want it to go too long because I'm yapping here, but I want to go into, I'm going to give you 3 options. This next one is a little advanced more. This is VMware virtual reality. Now it's free to take these courses, but you do have to pay to get these certifications, and these are professional certifications. So these will definitely, you could take to your job applications and put these on your job and get yourself a job. Now the Microsoft ones are good enough for you just to know the knowledge. I wouldn't put in those Microsoft certifications because they're not real certifications. They're just kind of like completions. You could put them on your resume or put them on your LinkedIn account. I do suggest to put everything that you definitely know on your accounts and kind of go that route. But yeah, as long as you know the skills, so when you do a job interview and you get asked about a question like, oh, what do you know? And like, oh, I know virtualization, or I know this and that, and they'll be pretty impressed and like, wow, you learned all that on your own. even though you don't have a bachelor's degree or master's degree. And if you do have a master's degree, that's even better. Um, anyways, your certifications here. So what you would do is you would sign up and get your free course, start your courses here, and get into the certifications. Different types of certifications that you would like to do. They have a certification management here. Let me get into that. And right here, you could schedule, track your status, check your uh, check your schedule and everything like that. But anyways, you could go ahead and take these free courses, but the exams, like I said, are not free. So like if you want to do an exam, you have to fill out this application, and then they'll send you the place where to take the exam, or you could take the exam online, depends on which exam you are taking. But like I said, this is more an advanced situation. This is virtual VMware. It's a virtual not virtual, uh, virtual machine. You got cloud. It's just more advanced. And the third option I'm giving you is Cisco Network Academy. And this is an advanced situation too. This is where this is the field that I'm in as an IT specialist. VMware or Microsoft offers you the ability to learn networking and everything from your CEENT, your CCNA, the CCMP security. I mean, there's so much certifications you could get into, and this is mine basically. Same thing. Sign up for your account and get all your stuff here. Another cool thing is on under resources here, you get your vouchers. You could find an academy. You could download Track and Pay, Packet Tracer, which this is a right here. This is Track and Pacer. This is a module of a simulator to simulate networking. And with the simulating network, you can go ahead and launch a router here. And with this router, you could go into the router and you will see the CLI, and it works exactly like a real router if you're in the real world. You know, uh, you see here. So you got to learn all this stuff, but this is a simulator that you can use. And with this, you could go ahead and let me see here. Um, you could go into here and let me see what I got. You'll get your account ID number and everything, and you'll get your certifications when you complete the courses, and you'll have letters and certifications, and you can use that for your job search as well. But those are three options that I suggest you to look into if you're really want to advance your skills or your career. They give you webinars. Most of these are free. Like I said, you can sign up. Free webinars. A lot of these are recorded too. They're on demand, so I would definitely take a shot at it. Learn at them. Learn at them. Good luck, guys, out there. Um, I just want to see people advance their IT skills, and hope you guys watch this video. It's going on 14 minutes, so later, leave some comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.